Welcome back. In this video, we will diagnose a critical problem. The pilot flame lights up, but won't stay on, causing a gas alarm. This is almost always caused by an issue with the flame sensor positioning. Upon close inspection, we can identify two possible installation errors. First, the tip of the flame sensor probe may be pushed too close and is physically touching the metal pilot burner cover. This creates a short to ground. When the flame heats the sensor, the safety signal is lost to the metal frame, and the controller never receives it. Second, and in this case, we have found that the flame sensor and the igniter have been installed in reversed positions. This incorrect placement prevents the pilot flame from properly heating the sensor, which will also cause the system to fail. To fix this, we must swap the components back to their correct positions. Step 1. Disconnect the cables from both the flame sensor and the igniter. Step 2. Loosen the fastener. Undo the screw that holds the flame sensor and igniter in place.
Step 3. Reposition the components. Carefully pull both the flame sensor and igniter up and out of the bracket.
Now let's reinstall them. Before inserting them back into the bracket, take a moment to identify each component. This curve acts as a guide for the securing screw to ensure it is installed in the correct position. Insert the flame sensor and the correctly identified igniter back into the bracket from above, and then retighten the securing screw.
When reinstalling, it is crucial to ensure the flame sensor is positioned directly in the pilot flame's path, but with a clear air gap so it does not touch any metal components. As a final safety check, make sure the high-voltage igniter cable and the low-voltage sensor cable are not routed close to each other.
Now let's test the unit with the components correctly installed. The pilot ignites, and this time the system correctly detects the flame and enters its stable standby mode. The unit is now functioning correctly. So, if you ever have a pilot that looks good but won't stay lit, always check the physical positioning and connections of your flame sensor and igniter.